we have some tips to avoid the loss of priority. So the priority documents must show exact the same design. A practical tip is when you file an application in Brazil, use the identical designs, identical drawings as claiming the priority document to file the Brazilian application. Because otherwise, if you have no correspondence, for instance, the priority document shows a different design, or incomplete priority document, missing figures, filing number, or filing date, or even though the representation mismatch, drawings or colors or shading differences, the priority will be accepted if no change is made in terms of the claim design. In other words, if you file the application in Brazil and you proceed with a late filing of the priority, this priority must match the initial application of Brazil. So otherwise, if the priority has differences and that change, that alter the scope of the claim, we will have the publication of the loss of the priority. In Brazil, the Brazilian application cannot be amended to match the priority document. So there is no post-filing adjustment. Of course, the decision of the loss of priority can be appealed within 60 days from the notice of the loss of priority in the Brazilian IP Gazette. And unlike other jurisdictions, Brazil offers no post-deadline remedies. So compliance is mandatory and strictly important in the country.